Hi everyone, my name is Parikshit Khanna and I welcome you back to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about my favorite Robin Sharma book collection, which I believe you should also read to get most out of Robin Sharma books and his learnings. I started reading his book way back in 2011. My first book was The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. And with the help of my screen, I will be sharing my insight of all of his books, which are my personal favorite. So let's start the video. My personal favorite, the book name is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. This book, I've started the motivational journey with this book. Let me tell you something about this book. This book is filled up with the story of how Judge converted his life by visiting India, by visiting mountains, by learning from all the top class saints which are there. The learnings given in this book are very short, very crisp, and it is given in such a story manner that you will really enjoy this book. Because if you really get bored from all the motivational stuff that is there, and you want something which is really fresh, you should be going for this particular book because it will come across as a story, but at the same point of time every story will be having a different set of learning. So yes, this is my personal favorite Robin Sharma book, which I believe you should read right now to learn and to grow in your life. My second favorite book is by Robin Sharma. Again, it is called 5 a.m. Club. If you read 5 a.m. Club, the story pattern is similar like Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, because there are two main characters of the story and they get introduced to a motivational speaker. Motivational speaker invited them to a beach, and throughout their journey, they fall in love and they get to learn different things from that particular motivational speaker. And the story was written in such a way that you will grasp everything about how you need to change your life, what morning routine you need to follow if you wake up by 5 a.m., why you should wake up by 5 a.m. After waking up, what things you should do that can make you world class performer. And this book is certainly amazing. If you are looking forward to waking up and doing something productive, read this book. You will have certain ideas about how you can utilize your time and make it more productive. You can go ahead with this book. My third personal favorite Robin Sharma book is The Everyday Hero Manifesto. I read this book 10, 12 days ago, and I completed that book in same day. Yeah, this particular book is having 20 to 30 chapters, and 20 to 30 chapters. The best part of this book is sum total of Monk Who Sold His Ferrari and 5 a.m. Club. Robin Sharma has shared all the information in small, long, and big chapters. And he has also told his story about how he had become an author. According to him, you should not bury your talent inside a mud. That this book will help you and motivate you to perform better. This book is having different strategy, different ways to become a massive action taker. Plus, this book also focuses on taking a rest, taking a break, and don't burn yourself in the race of growing up. So these are my three favorite books by Robin Sharma, which I believe you should read right now in the similar pattern. The first, Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. The second will be 5 a.m. Club. The third will be Everyday Hero Manifesto. Because once you read these two books, their third book will add a final layer over all the learnings, and you will able to implement all of them. So if you read three books in the same sync manner, you will get benefit. Uh, I cannot express it, but follow the same pattern. You will see the result. Post the result in the comment box. Like the video, and you can ask me any question regarding these three books. The Amazon link for the same will be given in the description box, which can help you to buy. Plus, I will recommend you to take Audible subscription, take a Kindle subscription. It will help you to read more books at a shorter duration of time. So this is all I have in today's video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. If you are a subscriber, comment below and share me your opinion. Thank you so much.